Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to generate reports in Smartsheet. Ladies and gentlemen, in Smartsheet, it's very easy to generate reports. All you need to do is go to the left-hand side. You'll see this column of all of these options, and there's a very clear Create button. Click on Create, and here you will see Report. Now here you can do this in two ways. Once you click on this, it'll open up this little menu, and here you can choose to use data from your sheets, or you can use sheet summary fields. Now, whichever one you choose, it'll give you the following options. It is now creating a report in your workspace. You can see over here, you'll have your title. So right now, we want to just rename this because untitled report is not good enough. We're going to just say report 1. Click out of there, it'll save that. And here, it'll show you a bit of a walkthrough on how to actually create your report. Okay, so what we want to do here is we want to find where we are sourcing our data from. So either from our sheets. If you're opening up sheets, there will be maybe additional information if you have more data. You can also choose first project, untitled workspace, your workspace one. Depends on what it is that you would like to include in this report. Okay, just for example's sake, I'm going to just select all of them. Click on next. Now you will see that you will have your one column, and this will be sheet name. So what you'll do here is just add what you'll actually like to have in this column over here. So let's just say, for example, we want a created by. We already have a sheet name. We have primary, and then now we have created by. We're going to say next. Here you can select a field. So go ahead, go down here, and let's say we want to have this column 4. Over here, you can add in what you would like to have in column 4. So we can say, let's say perhaps column 4 is not blank. And then we can add a condition if we'd like. Click on apply. You've now built a report. This is our report over here. You can see it consists of 2 sheets, 2 columns, and 1 filter. And all of the information will be displayed over here. Now, my account does not have any information in it at the moment, but you'll see all of your information on your report over here. You can also view it in different ways. So currently it's in the grid view. You can view it in a Gantt view, and then you can also view it in a calendar view, which will show you the report's data in relevant date form.